Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. Whiskey sour, and it's a very simple drink to make, and one which you will enjoy immensely as well. So it's basically 2 ounces of whiskey, bourbon whiskey. We have 1 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to put a teaspoon of egg white in the Boston shaker, and then we're going to put about 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. So let's just go ahead and get started. So we're going to start first with the whiskey, as I mentioned. We're going to put 2 ounces in our jigger. It's 2 ounces of whiskey. And next we're going to put 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now this is simple syrup which I made. Again, it's equal parts sugar and water, and I used granulated sugar. So I'm going to go to the 1 ounce section of my jigger. That's 1 ounce of simple syrup. Next, we're gonna put 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed. And again, this is a sour, so in a sour we always have to have lime juice or lemon juice. Next, we're gonna put a teaspoon, or I'm going to use a bar spoon of egg white. I like to whisk my egg white a little bit first because I find I can get it out better with the spoon. I find when it's not whisked, I find it's a little difficult to get out. So let's try it now. So just want to put only a bar spoon of this. That's all we're going to do, just a bar spoon of that. That's the egg white. And then we're going to do 4 dashes of the Angostura bitters. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let me just drop a little bit more egg white because I don't think I got a proper spoon. Yeah, there we go. That's better now. That's enough egg white. Then we're now going to put, of course, ice is very important. So we're going to put some ice now into our Boston shaker. Let's just use the spoon. I find sometimes those things are a bit clumsy. Put ice right in there. All right, that should be enough ice. Then we're going to now pour this in here, cap it, and then give it a shake. Okay, that should be good. And you know, this is always giving me a lot of challenges, but let's let it sit for a bit. What we're going to do is to go ahead and put some ice now into our glass. So we're going to put some ice into our glass here. Let's put another 2 cubes of ice. And now let's just get this off. It always gives me trouble. Maybe someone can leave a comment in how to get off this easily without having to fight with it. I'm here fighting with this. There we go. Okay, she's coming out. She's coming off. Oh, this is too much. This is much too much. Oh, here we go. Wow, this is crazy. All right, finally off. I'm going to use my Hawthorne Strainer. And I also have another strainer. I'm going to double strain it into this rocks glass. That looks delicious. And as you can see, the egg white gives this nice foamy look on top. Okay, there we have it. So there we have it. This is our whiskey sour. And of course, the other thing you could use as well too, to garnish, you can use a nice little twist of lime inside the sour as well. But this is our whiskey sour. So let's just go ahead and taste this whiskey sour. Oh, this is delightful. Right now it's a Sunday evening and this is a good drink to just sit in the patio and just enjoy the view and enjoy this whiskey sour. So if you have enjoyed this video, please just go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell. And again, I am John Hazzard, and today was not only about food, but it was also about the cocktails. And today it was all about the whiskey sour. See you next time on All About Food.